Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now, Mrignani. Mrignani.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Beta,
ma'am.
I had already admitted you in the class, but then still you were waiting in the waiting room with another ID or what? 2 times your name was showing over there in the chat box. Sorry, in the participant list. What happened? Another with another ID you were present there because hello, Mrignani.
No,
What happened?
ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
You were with the two IDs.
No, ma'am. My sister has joined previously, so that it was a problem.
Okay, because only once I will admit you. आप दोनों आपका मृगनयनी एक को एडमिट कर दिया. अब दोनों को मैं कैसे एडमिट करूं? मे बी पॉसिबल कि कोई और आपकी नाम का एंटर लेने मांग रहा है. So be careful about this in the next time, है ना? अभी आज तो मैंने आपको एंटर कर दिया because you haven't write here in the chat box your name. So I thought that might be the network issue or something like that was there. Okay,
Yes,
next time be
ma'am.
careful about that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in a last class, we have completed the lesson "What is democracy? Why democracy?" The civics lesson number 1, and we have discussed few questions also related to the textbook questions, and those all textbook questions I have done here in the PDF form. I have given the answers, so you can. You don't have to do all these question answers in the notebook. ये जो which ये वाला नहीं है, ये तो extra questions है. ये आपके extra questions हैं, very short, short and long. ये तो extra questions वाला PDF है, ठीक है ना? Now from this you have to do the short and long question answers in your notebook. I hope it is clear. As such, in the textbook question, no questions were there related to your lesson. So for that reason, I have made the PDF of very short and long question answers. And from that, you are going to do, from this PDF, you are going to do the short and long question answers in your notebook. Am I clear? And are you all completing your work in the notebook, beta? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, in the coming week, I am going to ask to show the notebooks how much work you have done. To show me here, I will ask you to keep your video on, and I will ask you to show it here. The notebooks how much work you have done. So try to complete your work. And this lesson, okay, you can take time to complete the short and long question answers. Don't do very short questions. Very short questions are many. They are up to, I think, 25 questions are there. So no need to copy these 25 questions, but just you do short question answers and long question answers. I hope it is clear now. You have to do short and
Yes, ma'am.
long.
Long.
Clear in your notebook.
Yes,
Where?
ma'am.
In your notebook. So ये मैंने mark कर दिया है. Long और short. ये करना है, ठीक है? Now next, hope it is clear what to do in the notebook. ये पहला PDF है जो मैं
Yes,
Short
ma'am.
and long question.
short and long. ये very short जो लिखा हुआ है ऊपर, ये नहीं करना है आपको, ठीक है? ये
Okay,
वाले
ma'am.
PDF में से. Now I'm ये मैं PDF हटा रही हूँ. Oh God. Wait, I have to share it again. So another PDF is also there. One more PDF is there. After this, you have understood this one. Now next PDF, I will send off the textbook questions that that are in the MCQs forms. Few we have already discussed. Now this is in the colored PDF form. जो ये colored PDF form में है, that are these you have to just mark it in the book itself. बुक में ही मार्क कर लेना, ठीक है? Few we have already discussed in the class. Till I think 6 or 7 questions we have discussed, and few are still remaining. So you can write down the answers in the book itself. So ये second PDF understood हो गया आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
दोनों PDF समझ में आ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
First PDF of very short, short and long, in which you have to do short and long question answers. Second PDF, I will give it of this means colored PDF will be there, in which you will do the mark the questions in the book itself. Book में ही करना, ये book के questions हैं. Clear? Now the
Yes, ma'am.
one more PDF I'm going to give you, that is will be the third PDF. That will be of notes only. Overall notes of the lesson. Overall notes of the lesson, वो भी आपको कहीं copy नहीं करना है. That only you will keep it with you safely. आप अपने पास संभाल के वो भी notes रखेंगे इस lesson के.
Okay, ma'am.
Like French Revolution, I've given the notes. The same way in PDF, this lesson notes also I'm going to share it to you. So 3 PDFs will be there. One will be of very short, long question answers. Second will be the textbook question answers. And third will be of the notes, which you are going to keep it with you safely. If you want to revise, you can revise from the notes also. Hope it is
Okay, ma'am.
understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now today we are going to start with the geography lesson. Geography lesson number 1. Sorry. Now in this lesson, we are going to read about India's size and location. So India's size and location. And with this India size and location, the latitudinal, the longitudinal extent, plus the context of India with the world and the neighboring countries, means each and every, the India's neighbors and all. So we will have a clear study about the position, the actual position of India in this lesson. So first the lesson begins with India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. Now, as you know, many civilizations were there in ancient India, like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and all. Chinese civilization was also there. So India is also one of the ancient civilization of the world. Now, it has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. Now, during the last 5 decades, now the word decades means anybody can tell me decades? What does the word decade means, beta? The period of how many years? Hello, are you able to listen?
Yes, ma'am.
Students
Yes,
are there in
ma'am.
the class or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so decades is the period of 10 years. Decade is the period of 10 years.
10
10
years.
साल एक साथ 10 सालों को बोलेंगे तो 10 साल को एक साथ क्या बोलेंगे? A period of decades, means decades है. So it has achieved, India has achieved the multifaceted socio-economic progress. That means India has made progress in all the spheres, all the spheres during the last 5 decades. Now 1 decade means 10 years. Now last 5 decades means how many years? Huh?
Five.
Last 5 decades means 50 years.
I'm 50 years.
Yes. So during the last 50 years, India had made progress, immense progress in each and every sphere. Clear, whether it is social, whether it is economical, whether it is political, every sphere India has made progress. So it has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of, and now where India has made progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. So in all these spheres, India had made a remarkable, a noticeable progress during the last 50 years, that is last 5 decades. Now, India has also contributed significantly to the making of the world history. Now, it has also contributed, it has also given its most of the part in making the world history. World history बनाने के लिए भी India का बहुत कुछ means contribution रहा है. Now coming to the location of India, exactly where is India located? Now India is a vast country, बहुत बड़ी country है, lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. Please underline this, where India lies. India lies in the northern hemisphere.
Northern
Yeah.
Hemisphere.
Yes, the mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 towards north and 37 degree 6 towards north, and longitude 68 degree 7 towards east and 97 degree to 25 towards east. Now this is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. It lies in the northern hemisphere, first thing to keep it in mind. Second thing, the latitudinal extent. Latitude. Now, what are latitudes? What are latitudes?
Ma'am, the horizontal line.
The horizontal. Now, latitudes and longitudes, these are the imaginary lines. Latitudes and longitudes are the imaginary lines. Now, these latitudes are the horizontal lines here on the globe, and longitudes are the vertical lines on the globe. So, the extent of our mainland. Mainland means, what does the word mainland means? The continuous extent of the land, the greater part of the country, which include the greater part of the country. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा country का part include है. So the land extends between latitude 8 degree 4 towards north. North की तरफ जो latitude है 8 degree 4 towards north and 37 degree 6 towards north. ये जो है ये latitudinal extent है, and longitudinal extent. Longitudinal extent is 68 degrees 7 towards east and 97 degree 25 degree towards east. So this is the latitudinal and longitudinal. You have to keep both the things in mind and remember this. Now the Tropic of Cancer. Now another important point to be noted about the location is the Tropic of Cancer. Now Tropic of Cancer, that is present in 23 degree 30 towards north, divides the country almost into two equal parts. So which imaginary line divides a country into two equal parts?
Tropic of
Tropic of
Cancer.
Cancer.
So here Tropic of Cancer is there, which divides India into two equal parts. बराबर बराबर में division किया है.
Yes, ma'am.
To the southeast and north southwest. To the southeast and southwest. Yeah, these southwest of mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Now to the southwest and southeast, what which islands are there? Which islands are there?
Ma'am, Lakshadweep. Andaman and
Yes.
Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep.
Yes, Andaman and Nicobar Islands here. In this side, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are there, and this side, Lakshadweep Islands are there. So this is the strategic position of India, the extension location of exactly the location of India, that is Tropic of Cancer is passing, dividing India into two equal parts. The southeast and southwest mainland is having two island groups. Which are these? Andaman and Nicobar, one side, another side, Lakshadweep Island,
Lakshadweep.
and in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the question. Find out the extent. Now this you will find it out yourself. The extent of these group of islands from your atlas. Now the southernmost point. This is also to be kept in mind. The southernmost point of the Indian Union. Indian Union means whatever area is there in India. The Indira Point got submerged under the sea water. Which point got submerged under sea water? Indira Point. And it got submerged.
Point.
डूब गया था ये कितने कब? 2004
2004.
during the
Four in the tsunami.
now 2004 when tsunami occurred there. At that time, the Indira Point, which is the southernmost point, the southernmost point. So which is the southernmost point of India? Was
Indira.
it was
Indira
Indira
Point.
Point.
Indira
Now
Point.
which is submerged in sea water due
Sea
to
water.
tsunami.
2004 tsunami.
Now location clear, everybody? Which things to be kept in mind?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now size. landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. Now about size, to keep this in mind, that its area is about 3.28 million square kilometer. इतने area पे India है. Then India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of total geographical. Now, if we see total geographical area of the world, तो उसमें इंडिया की पोजीशन क्या है, क्या पार्ट है? 2.4%.
0.4%.
वैसे तो इंडिया का एरिया क्या है? 3.28 million square kilometer. But
million
geographically, if we see, means taking the geographical of the world, then it will be the 2.4% of the total geographical.
Yes.
Clear? Now, from figure 1.2, it is clear that India is the 7th largest country of the world. Now, this is also to be kept. Please underline this. India is the 7th largest country of the world. Now, if India is the 7th largest country of the world, which are the first 6 countries? Now, this figure will show clearly which are the first 6
Yes,
countries
ma'am.
before India. So, first is
India.
Russia.
Russia.
First place is Russia, second Canada,
Second, Canada.
Third,
Third, USA.
third USA,
USA. Fourth,
fourth
China.
China,
Fifth,
fifth
Brazil.
Brazil,
Sixth,
sixth
Australia.
Australia,
Australia.
and
Seventh, India.
lastly, seventh is India. I hope from this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 7 largest countries of the world. So,
World.
in seventh largest, India is the 7th largest country. India has a land boundary of about how much kilometer? Land boundary, जो land boundary है उसकी इंडिया की, it is about
15,200 kilometer.
good. And the total length of coastline of the mainland. Now coastline कौन सी हुई? Near the coast. Coastline कहाँ हुई? Near the coast, है ना? तो वैसे तो इंडिया की टोटल बाउंड्री लैंड बाउंड्री क्या है? 15,200 kilometers.
15,200
And
kilometer.
the total length of coastline of the mainland की जो coastline है, including Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep, कितना है उसकी coastline area?
7,516.6 kilometer.
7,516.
Clear? 7,516.6 kilometer. So Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island को मिला करके इसकी coastline, इंडिया की coastline है 7,516.6 तो ये तो हमारी कोस्टलाइन की बात हुई. ये हो गई टोटल लैंड बाउंड्री की बात. क्लियर द डिफरेंशिएशन बिटवीन द टू?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now India is bounded by Young-Fold Mountains in the northwest. Now, what do you mean by the word Young-Fold Mountains? Here, Young-Fold Mountains means the Himalayan mountains. Young-Fold Mountains here means Himalayan mountains. ये हम और extra में पढ़ेंगे Himalayan mountains के बारे में when we will talk about physical features of India in chapter number 2. So, India is bounded. India किससे bounded है? किससे घिरी हुई है? Young-Fold Mountains, that is Himalayan on the northwest, north and कहाँ पर है? Wait a second.
Northeast.
हाँ, northwest, north and northeast. Clear? Yes. So the Young-Fold Mountain, we are talking about Himalayan ranges, and they are bounding India in the northwest area from the north south and north side and from the northeast side. Clear? Now south of about 22° north towards the south, 20° north latitude, it begins to taper. Taper means थोड़ा सा वो पहले तो ब्रॉडर होने लग, ब्रॉडर है यहाँ पर, ये सब नॉर्थ वेस्ट साउथ और नॉर्थ ईस्ट में ब्रॉडर है और टैपर होने लगती है. टैपर मींस थिनर, है ना? थोड़ा सा पॉइंटेड रूप लेने लग रही है टुवर्ड्स द साउथ 22° नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड की तरफ जब जा रही है, एंड एक्सटेंड्स टुवर्ड्स द इंडियन ओशन. और कहाँ पर एक्सटेंड हो रही है? इंडियन ओशन पे. ये यंग-फोल्ड माउंटेन्स डिवाइडिंग इट इनटू 2 सीज. अब इंडियन ओशन को क्या कर रहा है? ये जो यंग-फोल्ड माउंटेन्स है, when it is becoming taper, जब वो pointed हो रही है, तो it is dividing Indian Ocean into two seas.
Two seas.
Now Indian Ocean is
Sea
dividing into two seas,
and Bay of
Arabian Sea
Bengal.
and
Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal. So Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, that means is the part of which ocean? Indian Ocean.
Indian Ocean.
Because they have become, the Indian Ocean is being divided with due to the Yangfol Mountain, which is becoming taper and extends towards Indian Ocean.
Indian
Clear
Ocean.
till here? अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा
Yes,
है?
ma'am.
Okay, now look at figure 1.3 and note that the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of mainland is about 30 degree. Now you have to look at 1.3, figure 1.3 and note that the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of mainland, I just now explained, it is the continuous extent of the land, which includes the greater part of the country. Clear? So, despite this fact, ये fact के अलावा, the east west extent, जो east और west का extent है, appears to be smaller than the north south extent. Now the east west extent appears smaller, छोटा दिख रहा है ये, as compared to the north south extent.
North south extent.
Clear? Longitudinal or latitudinal
ma'am.
position. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. अब गुजरात से अरुणाचल प्रदेश. Gujarat, where is Gujarat? Here in this position. Arunachal Pradesh, this side. So what? From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Time lag means time difference. गुजरात से अरुणाचल प्रदेश का जो टाइम डिफरेंस है वो कितना डिफरेंस है? 2 आवर्स का टाइम डिफरेंस है, 2 घंटे का डिफरेंस है गुजरात और अरुणाचल के टाइम में. Hence time along the standard meridian of India. अब एक स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन ऑफ इंडिया रखा गया है. स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन को हमने कंसीडर करा है 82 डिग्री 30 टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट. This is considered to be the standard meridian of India, and this is passing where? Through Mirzapur. And where is Mirzapur? In Uttar Pradesh. It is the center point of India, Mirzapur. Clear? So the standard meridian that is considered as 82 degree 30, ये जो इसको consider किया है standard meridian, which is passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as a standard time for the whole country. अब पूरी कंट्री को फॉलो करने के लिए, क्योंकि कहीं पर कुछ टाइम बताएगा, कहीं पर कुछ टाइम बताएगा, तो क्या हुआ कि ये डिसीजन लिया गया कि एक स्टैंडर्ड टाइम मेंटेन किया जाए, ताकि ये टाइम डिफरेंस हमको नहीं लगे, टाइम लैग नहीं हो. सो स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन ऑफ इंडिया दैट इज 82 30 टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट, ये जो मिर्जापुर में उत्तर प्रदेश में ये पास हो रहा है, दिस वाज कंसीडर्ड एज द स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन. एंड द लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंड इन्फ्लुएंसेस द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ डे एंड नाइट. और इसका जो लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंड है यही इन्फ्लुएंस करता है फॉर द ड्यूरेशन एंड ऑफ डे एंड नाइट. कितना समय डे कितना बड़ा रहेगा, कितना बड़ा नाइट रहेगा. एंड वन मूव्स फ्रॉम साउथ टू नॉर्थ. जैसे कि लोग साउथ से नॉर्थ की तरफ मूव करते हैं, तो कितना बड़ा दिन, कितनी बड़ी रातें रहेगी, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन द लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट एंड द पर्टिकुलर स्टैंडर्ड टाइम फॉर द होल कंट्री इज टेकन. कहीं पर कुछ टाइम, कहीं पर कुछ टाइम, इसलिए एक स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन बना दिया गया है. वी हैव कंसीडर्ड द स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन दैट इज 82 डिग्री 30 टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट. ये हमने कंसीडर कर लिया है एक स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन जो कि मिर्जापुर से जा रहा है. And according to that, the standard time for the whole country is maintained. Clear? Now, India and the world. Now, these questions we are going to discuss later. Either I'm going to give it to you in the my notes, question and answers notes. ठीक है ना? फिर India and the world. Now, India, the Indian landmass has the central location between the East and the West Asia. Now the central location. Now in the world, what is the position, what is the location of India in the world? Now it has a central location. कहाँ पर central location है? Between the East and वेस्ट एशिया, ईस्ट और वेस्ट एशिया का एकदम सेंटर में है। इंडिया इज द साउथ वेस्ट एक्सटेंशन ऑफ एशियन कॉन्टिनेंट्स। एशियन कॉन्टिनेंट्स जितने भी हैं उसका क्या है, साउथ वेस्ट एक्सटेंशन। एक्सटेंशन मीन्स बढ़ा हुआ, क्लियर, साउथ की तरफ। The Trans-Indian Ocean routes, which connects the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia, provides a strategic central location to India. So, strategic central location means important central location. क्या provide करता है? It's in routes, sea routes जो है, which connect the countries of Europe in the west and countries of East Asia. ये कनेक्ट करता है इंडिया को यूरोप, इंडियन ओशन जो रूट्स है, इंडियन ओशन के जो रूट्स है, सी रूट्स हैं, वो इंडिया को यूरोपियन कंट्रीज से वेस्ट में प्लस ईस्ट एशिया से क्या करता है, कनेक्ट करता है, क्लियर। एंड thus it provides an important central location to India with the help of the Indian Ocean. Now note that the Deccan Plateau, अब जो Deccan Peninsula है, वो that protrudes means, protrudes का मतलब होता है, you can note it down, the meanings, extend beyond or above the surface. Protrudes means extend beyond, जितना जो surface है उससे ज्यादा बाहर की तरफ निकला हुआ. So the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into Indian Ocean. तो कहाँ पर ये enter हो रहा है, Deccan Peninsula? Indian Ocean में. Thus helping India to establish close contacts with West Asia. और इसीलिए ये protrudes means Indian Ocean में enter हो रहा है, इसीलिए क्या इंडिया को help कर रहा है, कैसे help कर रहा है, with close contacts with West Asia, Africa, Europe from the west coast and the southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. So ये जो Deccan Peninsula है ये इंडियन ओशन में एंटर कर रहा है, और जब इंडियन ओशन में एंटर कर रहा है दैट मींस सी रूट्स इज देयर, सो इंडिया इज हेल्प्ड आउट टू हैव द क्लोज कॉन्टैक्ट्स विद दीज कंट्रीज आल्सो, these countries of the world also. So no other country has the long coastline of the Indian Ocean as India has. अब इंडिया के पास जो long coastline means the coastline near the coast, the boundary line with the near the coast. So इंडिया के पास जो long coastline है, it is just because of the Indian Ocean. इंडियन जो ओशन है, कहाँ पर इंडियन ओशन, पूरा इंडियन ओशन है ना यहाँ पर.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये इंडियन ओशन जो है इसकी कोस्ट लाइन सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट कोस्ट लाइन बोली जाती है. नो अदर कंट्री हैज द लॉन्ग कोस्ट लाइन ऑफ इंडियन ओशन एज इंडिया हैज, एंड इंडीड इट इज इंडियाज एमिनेंट पोजीशन. एमिनेंट मींस मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पोजीशन, फेमस पोजीशन इन इंडियन ओशन, और इसीलिए the name Indian Ocean is given to this ocean. इस ओशन को इंडियन ओशन क्यों कहा गया है, because India has the long coastline in this ocean. इंडिया की सबसे बड़ी कोस्ट लाइन है इस ओशन पे, और इसीलिए इसकी फेमस पोजीशन है पूरे वर्ल्ड में. That is why it is named after India, that is Indian Ocean. Clear why the ocean is given the name Indian Ocean? Because of its long coastline. सबसे लंबी coastline इंडिया की ही है इंडियन ओशन में, that is why, and thus which justifies the naming of ocean after it. Now the fact is, since the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, ये एक fact है कि जब स्विस कैनाल ओपन हुई, कहाँ पर, कब, कितनी कौन से ईयर में, 1869 में. India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometer. So a question can arise, when did India's distance from Europe was reduced? When did India's distance from Europe was reduced by 7,000 kilometer? When the Suez Canal was opened in 1869. ये एक तरीके से कैनाल ओपन हुई, तब ये यूरोप तक का रूट, इंडिया से यूरोप तक का जो डिस्टेंस है वो कम हो गया. I hope till here it is clear everyone. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
एक बार और आप अच्छे
Yes,
से पढ़
ma'am.
लेना, एक बार और अच्छे से पढ़ लेना, क्लियर. And listen
Yes, ma'am.
carefully. Carefully listen now. Monday I am not having my class. Monday को मेरी class नहीं होती है. But then also I am going to upload the video because ये एक और video means upload करूंगी मैं. एक और क्लास लूंगी तो ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा ये लेसन. इतना सा है बस, पेज 5 तक ही है. Mostly the map work is there. Yes or no? Little bit is the explanation
Okay,
remaining.
ma'am.
So I am thinking of explanation, second explanation 2 to be given on Monday. So if you want to understand this lesson, आप Monday को ये वीडियो देख लेना. मैं आपको वो भेज दूंगी स्टूडेंट पोर्टल पे. Am I clear? So
Yes,
that because
Yes, ma'am.
because one more lesson, economics lesson is remaining. है ना? Economics lesson रह रहा है.
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
सबका lesson. And might be in means few days we will have the vacation also. Might be possible. तो वो lesson ना रह जाए तो मैं इसीलिए
Okay,
next
ma'am.
week तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि शुरू कर दूँ economics का lesson. जितना भी होता है वो economics का lesson. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
तो मैं मंडे को आप लोग ये मैं स्टूडेंट पोर्टल पे डाल दूंगी. सो विदाउट फेल आप यू प्लीज डू check your student portal for the link where to see the explanation 2 of this lesson 1. और फिर मैं आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर्स वगैरह भी
Okay,
अपलोड कर
ma'am.
दूंगी पीडीएफ का. ठीक है ना?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I hope आपको मीन्स अगर कोई डाउट वगैरह है तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली आस्क मी, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट इफ एनी अदर थिंग, अगर कुछ और प्रॉब्लम है तो आप मुझे बताइए, क्योंकि मंडे को वी आर नॉट हैविंग द क्लास, सो आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ टेकिंग एट दैट टाइम द क्लास. ओके, आई
Okay,
होप
ma'am.
एवरीबडी हैज अंडरस्टूड.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank